In Haitian mythology, our ancestors sacrificed a black pig during the Bwa Kayiman Ceremony. Other historians believe that on the night of August 14, 1791, Jean-Baptiste Vixamar LeGrand gave himself away as a sacrifice for this revolt against Napoleon. We have even heard that this ritual was a pact made with demonic energies from the underworld, like Satan or even Lucifer. Whatever you choose to believe about this part of Haitian history, just remember we were unified with one common goal during that ceremony. The goal was liberty, and today marks 233 years ever since we sparked the revolutionary movement. Now today, as African nations rebel against this old European colonial cabal, I sit and I wonder, what will the Haitian people do? Will they make a positive decision to finally improve the country?